There's something in there. There's something in there. He's over here. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Where'd he go, Nismo? Do you know where it is? Or he's over here? He's over here? What about on your back feet? You better get it. You better get it. Don't let it get away. Bounce on it. Bounce on it. Bounce on it. Where is it? Where'd it go? Is it in your bed? No, it couldn't be in your bed. You gonna get to it? You gonna get that monster under your bed, yeah. That monster's in Nismo's bed. You get him. You tell him what's up. You tell him who's boss. Nismo's boss. Yeah? What was that? What was that?